Today I'm going to wash the dirty boat, and I'm going to use one of these foam cannons. I'm going to show you how this works. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you some details, and I'm going to be giving one of these away, and I'll tell you how at the end of the video. So stay tuned. So here's the foam cannon here. I'm going to fill it up with some water. Fill it up about 3/4, almost all the way. And I'll put 3 ounces of soap in there. That I use. They use the Meguiar's gel wash, boat wash, anything like that. But I just fill it up to about this rim right here. Water. We're using one of these. See, it's still got a little soap left in it. You want to put the water in before the soap. This is the soap left over from last time. So you got to rinse this out. Let's try this here. Alright, so I got it up to about a little past this point right here. You put the water in first. If you put the soap in first, you get all that sudsing. Like I said, sometimes you got to rinse it out before you use it. Then I put the soap in. And that's ready to go. I'm ready to go here. Alright, first thing I want to do is I want to rinse all the bird poo off the boat here. Get the GoPro out. I give the boat a good rinse before I get started. Whenever I turn off my the hose. Alright, here's some products that I use, probably close to this order here. So anyway, I got this broom at the dollar store, and it comes in handy. I'll sweep the cobwebs off, any cobwebs or anything. I can sweep off the bow rails and stuff to get the cobwebs out of the way. And the marinas, they always have a lot of spiders and cobwebs, unfortunately. So I just get a cheap dollar store broom. So anyway, then I rinse the boat off. As you see in the video, I can rinse the boat off, get all the debris off. From there, what I do is I go to this, I really like this. I'm not sponsored by these people, but I really like this product, this Black Streak Remover. I see any black streaks on the boat, I got the big bottle, and then I filled up this bottle with the solution and spray it, let it sit for about 4 minutes, kind of give it a little wipe, then rinse it off, and the black streaks come off. My boat looks white, very, very nice white. So I get to all that, and then I get to the foam cannon here. So anyway, I'll be giving away one of these at the end of the video today. I'll give you the date on that when I'm going to call the drawing up. But anyway, this is nice. It comes with this hose nozzle, and then it's a quick release, so I can just snap that in place like that, use it, suds up the boat, and then when I'm ready to rinse, I just pull back on that, it releases, and then I can rinse the boat off. Still use a scrub brush, it helps me get in there a little bit better. But I don't dip the scrub brush in a bucket, get the bucket dirty, start throwing dirty soapy water back on the boat after that. So, but what I do is once in a while I rinse that brush off, make sure I get it clean. But actually the foam cannon speeds up the process of cleaning your boat. You don't get the dunking in and getting the contaminated water back on your boat. You're reusing that, and you're getting clean water out when you're doing this. But okay, I'll show you that. So anyway, I usually get the black streaks. They're usually right in here. It's a little bright today. I don't know how good the camera's walking off, but I just spray this on where I get the black streaks at. It's all usually down here, same spot. I mean, they could be anywhere in the boat, especially at the beginning of the season. So I go around the boat, I'll look for little streakiness. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this today. I'm just kind of just showing you what's up. See, even got a little bird poo. That even takes that off too. Real good. I just let it sit for a couple minutes. That'll come off. Alright, so anyway, here's some, about 4 minutes later. Doing this one-handed. Oh, excuse. Need to rinse the brush sometimes a little quick. I'm just in the black streak remover anyway right now. Just dunk it in the water. Anyway, so that's how I do that. Just rub it in. That stuff comes right off. It's like an eraser, a chalk on an eraser board. Works really good. So there's my black streaks right here. I think this is like from running off from the boat top, I believe. Just not sure. Polluted rain, who knows where it comes from, but anyway, yeah, I'll just rub it in. And after that, I'll rinse the brush back off. Alright, now go for that rinse off again, get the black streak remover off. I don't want to keep it on the boat. Hopefully it doesn't hurt the gel coat. But I want to get that black streak remover off. going to give away one of these water cannons to my viewers. Right now, as we speak, I got about 160 subscribers on my channel. But anyway, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment, kind of comment I'm looking for is I'd be curious to see where you're from. Where were you watching my videos from? So if you can leave a comment and say, you know, you're from, you know, Michigan or Ohio or Canada, whatever, but I'm only going to be shipping this to the continental United States. I don't know how to do overseas, and I would do Canada too, to be honest with you. But just Canada and United States, I'd send this. But I'm going to give one of these away, foam water cannon, and all you got to do is subscribe to my channel, and let me see you subscribe to the channel if you're already a subscriber, and I also want to comment. Tell me where you're from, where you're watching my videos from. But anyway, yeah, and I'll be doing this drawing July 20th. July 20th I'll draw it, I'll post it on my channel, and then I'll send you one of these out. Well, it's certainly nice to have a clean boat for the weekend. And the water cannon I picked up at Harbor Freight, and I'll be mailing one of those out to a lucky winner on July 20th. So might even try to do a live feed and do the drawing right on YouTube live. So stay tuned. I want to thank everybody for watching. I enjoyed doing these videos.